All right, here we have a Heathway computer-controlled vertical sleeving lathe. It features dual chucks for this top tailstock for use with sleeving applications. The headstock is on the bottom, and you can adjust this position manually with this knob right here. Here's the shielding plate that's nitrogen purged on the top and bottom. And here's the carriage that moves up and down, and then the burner assembly is mounted on that. So it's currently set up with a hydrogen and oxygen torch. Here's the raceway for all of the lines. And you can see the servo motor mounted up top. There's 3 motors on this unit. Here's the gas control panel. So the one on the left here is nitrogen. The one in the center is hydrogen. And the one on the end is oxygen. And so there's 2 mass flow controllers on the hydrogen and oxygen. And here's the control console with touchscreen. And PLC. So we'll just kick it on and run through some of the functions. All right, so first thing we have to do is home the carriage so it knows the position. As of now, there's 0 in the position. But first we have to reset emergency stops. So go ahead and hit home. So it runs all the way down to the proximity switch, and then it backs off slightly at the 465 millimeter. So now it knows its position. So you need to set your upstream and downstream position. That's where the carriage will reach its max and minimum points. So we can operate this machine in 2 modes. One's the controlled mode, one's the uncontrolled mode. So in the uncontrolled mode, we'll just turn it on right now. It'll run at a faster speed up and down, and it's not going to stop at a dwell time, and it's not going to count the carriage passes. So we'll just go ahead and start it. So it's coming down to 500 millimeters, stopping, turning around, and going up to 700. All right, and while it's operating that mode, we can turn on the actual chucks. All right, so now we'll try the controlled mode. So you go to the setup screen, and we're gonna turn on forward and reverse for the control mode. Go back to monitor. And now it's moving at the rate of 200 millimeters a minute because we have that selected here. And you can see the position is moving at a slower rate now because it's at the controlled rate. And it's slowly moving up. So when that hits 700, it should start the dwell timer for the 3 seconds. Right there. And now it starts moving down. And it incremented the carriage counter 1 time. So that's slowly moving down now. So another function is the tailstock traverse. So when we turn that on, the tailstock will actually move upward for stretching capability at the rate that you have selected here. So to engage that, you go to setup. Okay, it's already engaged. So it's slowly moving up right now. And then some of the other functions are in the burner control page. You can change the flow rate of the hydrogen and then the ratio of the oxygen by entering them here. Overall, the machine is in excellent condition, and we've tested all the functions we can here.